Hey my beautiful people, you're welcome to my channel today again. My name is Aloma. If you are new here, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you all my returning subscribers. So let's proceed with our tutorial. This is the headband we want to do. For the materials, we need our taffeta fabric, then our elastic, then my tape rule. Then I have here my clothes stain that I'm going to attach to my fabric. Then I have my scissors. So without wasting time, let's begin. The width of my fabric here is 13 inches. I have here, and the length is 33 inches. I'm actually using this length and width because I want something bold. I want a bold band. You can use less depending on your preferences. Anyone that works for you is good. So this 33 inches, and my width is 13 inches. Then the width of my elastic material is 5 inches by 21 inches. That's the one that I will attach my elastic to. So I will now go ahead. I've gone ahead to iron my clothes stain to my fabric. That is what you're looking at there. I'm going ahead to iron it. It will give your material strength and make it really stand when you have done it, when you make your band to really stand when you knot it. So I'll go ahead to my machine and sew the wrong side and turn it over to the right side. I'll also do the same for my elastic fabric, which is this. I will sew and turn it over and attach my elastic. My elastic is 5 inches. So I will go and do that and come back and show you. So my fabric is ready. I've sewn and turned the wrong side today, and I will have now positioned the sewn side to face the back and the right side to face the front, as you can see on the screen here. So you can see it now. So I'm gonna head to also encase my elastic. The elastic will be at the back. That's what I will attach to the knotted front of my fabric. So to achieve our knot, we place the sewn side upwards, so that by the time you knot it, it will now face downwards. You now go ahead and make your knot, as you can see me doing on the screen. If you don't understand what I'm saying, but just look at the screen, you understand the way I did it. When you knot, the two sewn sides will face upwards, so that when you turn your knot the other side, they will face downwards. So that is what I'm doing here on the screen. You can go ahead and do your knot anyhow you want. You can make it tight, you can make it loose, but I think when you make it loose, it looks a little bit fuller than when it is tight, as you can see on the screen here. Then I will now go ahead and attach my elastic to the ends of my band to make my band complete. As you can see here on the picture, on the ends there, that's where I will gather my knots, my band like this, and attach it to the elastic end. So this is my band. I've done that now. I've attached it and the band is ready. Just like that, in a matter of minutes, your band is ready. You have a new fashion accessories to rock to anywhere, to parties or anything. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Encourage your girl by doing so. Encourage me, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Depending on how fast, so you can adjust your knot. You can make it looser, you can make it tight, anyhow you adjust your knot. You can make it tight or beautiful anyhow it is. But this is how I prepare my food. You can even go ahead and attach stone and simple or beads. Your band is ready in a matter of minutes. You want to attach to it. And I now decided to wear my own and see the way it looks on me. So this is how my band looks when I've worn it. So beautiful on a wig. You can even wear it on braids. I'm going to cherish anywhere you want to. I really love my band. Yeah. I love how simple it looks. Another fashion accessories that I wear to cherish. So beautiful. Please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. So thanks for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye.